Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sell on TikToks. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser, and on top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type TikTok shop and just press enter in the keyboard. After that, you just have to click on the first search result that is shown to you, and their interface will be shown, and this is the interface of the TikTok shop. So firstly, you just need to log in or sign up, and you have to log in or sign up. You just need to look in the top right corner. There is a login button. You can just click on it, and when you have signed up, and you just have to fill out the application where the information you just need to fill up about your business, about the name of your business, your company number, your company name, and your registration date of your business. So when you have done that, you just need to add your product to your shop, and when you set up your shop and added product to your shop, then you can just start selling. So this is how you can sell on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.